Venom 02, Python 01, copy. Get eyes back on and stand by for game plan 9 line. Venom 02, Python 01, we are tally with the farming equipment. Venom 02, Python 01, the code is 5280. Venom 02, Python 01, stand by 1. Venom 02, Python 01, we have 2 bipacks on the roof and 2 bipacks walking back and forth between the vehicle and other vehicles. Affirm, Python 01. Yes, they are, Python 01. Venom 02, Python 01, 313 elevation, target location, 18 Tango Vector Papa, 056, 252. Expect clearance on final and call in. Friendlies are southeast 3 kilometers. Who are the packs on the vehicle and how do you want us to deal with squirters? Venom, Python 01 in heading 115. Venom 02, Python 01 aborting. Venom 02, Python 01 ready grids. Venom 02, Python 01, can you confirm that the vehicle underneath our crosshairs is the correct vehicle? Venom 02, Python 01, stand by 1. Venom 02, Python 01, copy. Venom 02, Python 01, we believe the vehicle underneath our crosshairs does have the militia markings on the side. Do you want us to follow the vehicle as it moves from location? Venom 02, Python 01, say again. Venom 02, Python 01, copy. Venom 02, Python 01, copy, Python 01. What frequency do you want us to contact him on? Venom 02, this is Python 01, is Mustang LST, yep, disregard, Python 01. Venom 02, Python 01 is Mustang LST capable, copy, Mustang, Python 01. Are you LST capable, Python 01? Mustang, Python 01, say when ready, talk on, and I'll give you the grids. Mustang, Python 01, say when ready, talk on. Mustang, Python 01, grids are 18 Tango, Victor Papa, 071237. That is negative, the vehicle is moving, Python 01. Mustang, Python 01, we are lasing PRF 1122. Mustang, Python 01, updated grids are 18 Tango, Victor Papa, 054243. Mustang, Python 01, what vehicle do you have underneath your crosshairs? The vehicle that is your target is the vehicle that's pulling off the road right now, a white SUV. Mustang, Python 01, can you confirm what you see right now? Mustang, Python 01, your target is the vehicle that had the mail packs walk out the vehicle and interact with the building and is now leaving. Confirm that is a vehicle underneath your crosshairs. Mustang, Python 01, affirm that is your target. Mustang, Python 01, we are currently Charlie Delta 3.3 miles away from target. Mustang, Python 01, copy. Mustang, Python 01, where did you want us to egress to? Copy, Python 01. Mustang, Python 01, we are Mustang, Python 01, we are set, ready. Mustang, Python 01, where Popeye? Mustang, Python 01, did you turn west or east? Mustang, this is Python 01. There's cloud openings more so in the north than the south. We can blaze from the north if that's something you can set up. Mustang, Python 01, IP inject, standby 2 mics.
Venom, Python, can you guys head north on the road or interstate